Everybody, thank you for checking out our video. Today we have a 2014 Lincoln MKX all-wheel drive. And she is pretty fully loaded, 3.7 V6. Body's in really good shape. Has leather panel roof, all-wheel drive system, backup camera, heated seats, air-conditioned seats, heated steering wheel. The rims all have some wear on them, so I'll just kind of point one out. But besides that, body of this thing is in mint condition. I'll point out the interior here is in great shape. Leather, big dual panel roof. Really nice interior. Very comfortable car, good little like road trip car. Go ahead and give her a start up. If this is something you might be interested in, definitely give us a shout at 228-438-2056. Check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe if you know somebody who might be interested in this. And if you need any repairs done on any Audi, Volkswagen, Porsche as our specialty, but we also work on other foreign vehicles, luxury, and some of these domestic luxury vehicles like the Lincolns and Cadillacs. Give us a holler.